Hello there. There is a sound you may hear in the background. My neighbours are doing more reconstruction work, so yeah, I've been waiting most of the day to be able to make a video and they don't seem to be going away, so I'm just going to talk over it. Today I have decided to use black as my base on a small canvas to do another chain pull, and I've put my 2 push pins in again as I want to try the full effect one, as I'm still trying for that fireworks type result. And the colours I'm using today are metallic orange, coral and gold. And I'm going to do what I have done before in previous videos, put them around the edges, the colours, and towards the centre, and then pull the chains through them. So I will get started on that. Okay, that's it. I've had a good fiddle around with the chains. Yes, I have got a very bright orange picture. I'm actually now got that metallic orange colour in mind when I try my first butterfly, because I think it would hopefully look a little bit like a monarch butterfly, which are my favourites. So I'm going to bring it up to the light now to show you closer the patterns. It didn't come out as I had hoped, of course, because I've got a real mix of colours in there, especially in the centre. But I'm still pleased with the practice session that I have had, and there are enough of the different colours there to to give a nice outline to it, and quite a bit of blending, of course, particularly with the black and the gold. But no, that is another practice session for me done. As I've said, and I'll say it again, I'm really enjoying using the chains now, and there's just it's limitless as to what can be done with them. So that's it for me for my painting for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.